What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're down here at Kinston Dragway. It's 252 list shakeup. So tonight is going to be a good racing. I got here kind of late, so I'm even late doing this intro. So we're going to go into second round now. But I got here late, but there's a lot of good racing. My car has not been out here yet this year. We're probably going to bring mine out here closer to the end of the year. I was planning on bringing the new car, and I mean, I still got a long ways to go on the new car, so I don't know if that's going to happen or not. I may end up throwing the street tires on the copper car and getting into street class. I don't know yet. But anyway, y'all go to turbojohnracing.com, grab yourself some merchandise. Don't forget, we still got the giveaway going on. Go on there, you can see how to enter.
At least twice a day. Absolutely, that right there, that was.
This year they're calling it a street class. Basically the rules are the same as the other class, but you have to be on a street tire.
All right, Ricky. Ricky stood out this time. Jason Tyson runs. I was looking at that. I was like, I'm looking at Jeff Tyson runs. They were thinking. I'm going to bet it
Like I was saying, I missed some of the first round stuff.
I love your video.
Thank you, and I appreciate it.
I'm subscribed.
We missed some of the first round racing. I just got here kind of late. I was stuck in traffic getting in the gate. I shouldn't have planned it to get here exactly what time I thought it was going to start. But so now they rolled around now. This is second round of the list shakeup. So basically you have the last round, number 1, race number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. And so that's the list shakeup. So now the number 1 spot, he is sitting out, and number 2 is racing 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 9, and 10 and 11. And the number 11 spot is Brock Faircloth. Where's he at? He may already be up there at the front. So he is trying to race his way on. So hopefully he can get on and we'll see what happens. And there goes Mr. Rick Bostic. How about that bulldozer? What kind of shirt you got? The bulldozer. The white car. He's got, man, you got a fast hot rod.
Thank you, man.
You're going to be at Thunder Valley this weekend though, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so we're going to be down there too. So we're going to have a good time.
I haven't seen you out in a while.
Yeah, I've been doing that no prep stuff, the true back of the track. It's tough, man. But you got a fast hot rod. I mean, you're always on point flying. So we're gonna try to run with you at Thunder Valley.
I'm gonna get you.
Ah, good seeing you, good seeing you. There goes Coleman Heath's car. Coleman is, man, that thing turned out nice. It's kind of dark over here on this side. Velvet Revolver. Coleman, what's up? This is the first time I've seen the car, man. It's pretty. Is that like a little 283 or something?
Yeah, that's what it is.
283 with a little tiny turbo? Oh, that is a little turbo. That is like a legit, man. This thing, when I saw this thing at the shop at Chris's, when you first got it and took it to him, I was like, I don't think this is going to turn out like Coleman thinks it's going to. But God, it's pretty. Put a lot of work in it. Is it fast?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Well, what did it run?
What did it run?
Look, these no time races, I can't get no information out of nobody. They just freeze up. They're like, oh, don't know. I like it. It's pretty. It turned out nice. What motor did you end up putting in it?
Same engine plate on it.
Was it an LS? It was an LS, right? Yep. Okay, I got you. So you just took, I don't know if y'all remember Coleman. He had the pretty Chevelle, the red Chevelle. What year was it? 70 Chevelle. Real clean, real pretty. So he just wanted to go lighter weight. How much weight difference?
About 650 pounds.
650 pounds. Wow, dude, that's crazy. Looks good. I like it. All right, so here's David Brinkley too. He just got this thing together and out, and it is pretty. I've only seen pictures of it. There's the owner, David. Wow, the Patriot. Dino, how fast is it?
How fast what?
This thing. I can't ask David. David ain't gonna tell me the truth.
5 overs.
I don't believe David. Dino.
Too generous. 520s. You got the pedal at 455, you run a 520.
520s. This thing is sweet. We'll get a better picture of it this weekend in the sunlight. God, I like it. This is awesome, man. Got a little teeny Pat Moosey motor in it. On nitrous. He's gonna build a turbo car at some point. We need to let you, Randy needs to let you drive his one time. And then we're gonna have to call Mr. Moosey and be like, Mr. Moosey, can you build a turbo motor? He might not be happy with that conversation. Oh, do you? Oh, we can make anything work with turbo. All I gotta do is change cam. This is pretty. I don't know if y'all know Steve or not. He was in a terrible wreck last week, but he is good out here now mostly. What all did you get? A broke collarbone and...
Broke collarbone, detached.
I separated my shoulder, and I got some stuff going on with one eye. But
right. He got knocked out, concussion at Union at the top of the track. Crashed it on the top. He said he had a shock brake, and it kind of went over to the wall, and then it climbed the wall, destroyed the car. But I'm glad to see you out here. I mean, I know the next one will be back. It's going to be green too, same color, exotic. Identical. Nobody won't know. They'll just be like, where's Steve been?
I think it's got cleaned up.
So he hadn't started working on it yet, but I'm glad you're okay, man.
Yeah, man, thank you.
All right, so we rolling on up here. There's your number 10 spot and number 11. Brock's going to try to get going. Well, they're about to do second round, but there's Chris Greaves out here. He just told me there was a 15% chance of rain. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's raining. It's 100% here right now. So all the cars are up here, but I imagine they're going to just get pushed back to the trailer for the time being. I'm going to go back to my car real fast. And then, what's up, sir? Look who showed up, Justin. Look, I didn't even call you and tell you I was coming. I was just sneaking down here just to get some film. What'd you come with?
I ain't come with nothing. I come to see what everybody else is doing.
I should have called you. It was kind of last minute. I told Randy I was going to come, but I was like, man, hey, you going to Thunder Valley this weekend?
I didn't know anything about it. I might know.
Hey, we're going to Thunder Valley Saturday. All right, there's Jason Tyson right here, too.
But I'll catch you, man.
Hey, Justin, it's good seeing you. Hey, Saturday, make sure. There's Tyson. What's up, sir?
Legend.
Why you letting it rain?
Man, it's pouring.
Dude, yeah, this is a lot of rain. That looked like it was going to be a tight race.
I got nervous, man. I got out there about 300 feet. Just saw Jeff wreck. I didn't want to pull it over. I just said, man, you know what?
Yeah, you were right behind them.
I lifted. I said, hell with it, let him have it.
Yeah, it was going to be tight. I mean, y'all were side by side. It was great. It was going to be a great race. Hey, it's good seeing you. There goes Megan in her street car. That was a good pass you made earlier. You look at you in your street car and the windshield wipers. You're like, I can drive this back to the house. All right, good seeing you. This is Megan and Brent. Brent is the one that we raced at Coastal Plains. Megan is driving it today. Awesome car.
Well, that's that.
Well, it is raining its butt off. So, of course, that's just the way it rolls. It's starting to slack off a little bit, but it was pouring down rain down at the starting line. So I don't know that with this much rain, with it being already, it's 9:40 now, there's no way they're going to get the track dry to get the race finished. They got 11 o'clock curfew out here, I'm pretty sure. So it was fun. I'm glad I got down here. First time I've been to Kinston this year. At this point, I really miss racing the 252 list racing. It's always fun. It's a good crowd. Everybody's out here having a blast. So it's fun. Super exciting time. I wish I would have honestly just went ahead and come to first race now and done it and tried to get on the list. But it is what it is. I didn't do it, so we're just going to hit it probably in June or July. We've got to do, I don't know if I'll be able to get on the list. What'll happen is, since I'm not on the list, they have Race Your Way Ons once a month. And so what you do is there's a race on a Thursday night. The winner of that race gets to participate at this next one. So that's what we're probably going to do. All right, guys, go to turbojohnracing.com. Grab yourself some merchandise. Don't forget to get entered in the 25,000 sub giveaway. It's free entry. There's a link on the website, ways you can get some points to get entered to win a pretty cool item. I think it's pretty cool anyway. Y'all gonna see it's pretty neat. But we're gonna do that giveaway in about a week. All right, guys, y'all take care. We'll see y'all soon. We are racing this weekend, Thunder Valley. If you're close, come out and see us. Later.